Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you an unlimited AI image generator. If you want to create stunning, unique images from simple text from without paying a dime, this is for you. You can just use the Google AI Studio, open the aistudio.google.com and make sure that you have a Google account and sign in using that. And in here, to start generating image, you can just click on this images options in here and choose the model that you want. You can go with Nano Banana Pro or just Nano Banana or the Imagen 4. Okay, I'm going to use the Nano Banana here. Now you can just write the prompt or the image that you want to create. For example, go busy street using with our cat. Okay, you just go with that. Now you can just tap on run and just wait until the Nano Banana or the Google AI Studio generate your image. Okay, so here is the result. You can click on the image to preview it. And if you like with the result, you can just click on this drop down to download it. And to create another image, you can just start typing another prompt in here and tap on run again. So that's how you can easily generate unlimited AI images. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.